Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mokhasa. If you're new here, please do not forget to hit the subscription button. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Gang, gang, gang. Point blank, period. So today I am talking all things money. Machangura. We are talking about money today. We're talking about Zaga, Chelete, Madi, Nyuku, We're talking about money, and I'm going to be talking about my income streams, my different income streams that I make. Like, where do I get my money? Where do you get your money, baby? Where do you get your money? So that's what I'm going to be talking about today. So number one, my first different income stream, it's my salary. Salary is basically where I go to work from Monday to Tuesday, corporate job, normal job, go to job, get paid a salary for those 8 hours that you put in, 40 hours a week. Yeah, that is my first income stream, right? And then it goes with category, the highest to the lowest, right? Yeah, the highest is my salary, obviously, for obvious reasons. Salary, I work a corporate job, I get paid for that. Number two, it is my Justine commission, right? So Justine is basically products, right? It's like you're selling products for a company. Justine it's the same as Avon, your Average Lane, and all of those companies. That is the companies that I'm talking about. Okay, yeah. And then my second income stream, it is commission. I make money from commission, right? Commission basically from Justine. If you don't know Justine, I'm sure you know Justine. You've heard about the tissue oil, your tabashir, your kabadim. I will post a picture of the products here so that you can see what I'm talking about. So from this company that is called Justine, I make money from it as a business leader. So right, how can you make money from Justine? Basically, I'm going to be explaining it because I make money in different ways in Justine, right? In two ways. It's either when I sell their products. So when you sell products, it's like you get different types of profits. When you sell their product, when you sell the skincare products, you get 25% discount. When you sell perfumes, you get 22% discount. The discount is your profit. When you sell cosmetics, your bags, your watches, your sunglasses, you get 10% discount. So those discounts, it is your profit that you make when you sell to other people, right? And they deliver, and you need to place an order of 700. So it's very easy to be a consultant. If you do want to be a consultant, don't just DM me on Instagram. My name is _, and just tell me that I want to join Justine, and then I will tell you the steps on how we can do it. You don't need to be with me. We can do it online. They've introduced the online platform, and that is the first way I make money, through Justine. The second way that I make money through Justine, it is that I am a business leader, which means that how do you become a business leader? You basically start as a consultant and you get promoted to be a business leader. When you get promoted to be a business leader, that means you are saying that I will go out and recruit people to come and join the company and sell products, right? So I have a team. I've been doing this since 2017, 2016. So yeah, I have a team under me. The people that are under me, so I get paid through their paid sales. What is a paid sales? Well, let me say I have 10 people in my how much is this? In my team. That means 10 people, they each place an order. You need to place an order of 600 and above, right? So all of them, their sales combined, they give me a certain percentage from that, depending on which level I am in. Because as business leaders, you have peer leaders, you have Sapphire, and all of the different levels and different percentages. The level goes with how many how big is your team. So if you have a big team, that means you make a lot of money, but you get paid commission on paid sales. Let's say a person placed an order, they get their order. When they pay, you will get a certain percentage from the paid sales. So that is my second income stream. That is my commission. I make an average of like 1,000, 1.5. It can even go to 2,000. It even goes to 2.5 if it's a good month, especially if I keep on recruiting and encouraging people to place orders, and then they be paying on time and all of those things. And as a business leader, you are obligated to put an order every month of 700. So a 700, it is like the amount, the brochure amount, the amount that is in the book. Yeah, the amount that is in the book, 700, but you're not going to pay 700. It's going to be discounted according to the 25% that I talked about, the 10%, the 22% discount. So that is my second income stream that I make. Yeah, basically it is just recruiting people, telling them to place orders. If I teach them how to place their own orders, others I help them to place their orders. I tell them to pay on time. When they pay, I get paid a certain percentage from the paid sales. So that is my second income stream. My third income stream, it is from u.o.x.o. U-count is basically points that you get when you use your credit card or your debit card at Standard Bank. It depends on which bank you use. When you use FNB, you get, what is that, e-bucks, ne? You get your e-bucks. Yeah, I don't know about other banks. I only know about Standard Bank and FNB, right? Yeah, so I'm using Standard Bank. So I get u.o.x.o. U-count last year, I made 1.500. So the points accumulate. As they accumulate, it becomes cash. Okay, let me show you now. But I cashed out my easy equity last year because I was like, pull up, because I didn't think it was money. So what Standard Bank does is that when you use your debit card, you get a 1 point, right? Or whatever, it depends on the amount, right? And then if you're using a credit card, you get double the points. So I've been using my credit card. That's why I'm like, you need to be using your credit card, baby. If you're paying rent, ne? If you're paying rent, ask that person to preferably the way I'm renting, it is a company, so you pay, they have a machine where you pay with it. So I was paying with my credit card, like swiping my credit card, and it looks like I'm spending money, but it's rent, and you know that rent is expensive, so that means I was gonna make more points. So I made like 1.5. So basically these are the points I'm gonna show you now. Just give me 2 minutes. Should I put it on the screen? I'll put it on the screen here, but it is still loading. So you see 4.4 thousand points. That's the points that I have, which equals to rent. When it comes values, it's 446 rand. I'll just put it here. That is how much I've made so far this year. But I left 250 from the my points were like 1.8. So like my points were like more, whatever that amount is. Yeah, you divide it. I'll do the calculations here. And yeah, so I only cashed out 1.5 and I left the remaining. So yeah, this is how much I have now. Now I have 400. I no longer have 1.8, 1.9. Hey, it was nice when I cashed out that 1.5. I chowed it. It was nice. So that is my third income stream. So points, your credit card points, your bank points, all of those points. Yeah, depending on the bank that you use. So Standard Bank, they give you points. You can change it into money. And even on the u.o.x.o, you can also make money. Like let's say for instance, here they are saying that you see here, I don't know if you can see it, but they're saying that this one is available, the Discam. They say get a reward when you spend 250 at Discam, right? And then it means that when you spend 250 at Discam, they give you 50 rand. They give you 50 rand to spend at Discam. So those are the other ways of making money with the u.o.x.o, right? And you pay a u.o.x.o 25 rand every month, or you can get a MIMO account. MIMO account is like 120 a month, and then it includes the u.o.x.o and the bank charges and all of that. So yeah, it just depends on which bank you have. But if you just want to get a u.o.x.o, you just pay 25 rand, right? The last time I checked, it was 25 rand. Yes, I don't know how much it is, if it has increased or what. So that is my third income stream. And then my fourth income stream, it is the interest rate that you get from my 32 days, where I save money in my 32 days, and even in my pure saver. So when you get there, you get a certain percentage, but it's a small percentage, like it's 1% and all of that. Like that amount that you are saving for emergency, or you just want to blow it, like yeah, money. Like last year I blowed money, so it's whatever. But yeah, interest rate where you can get 7%, 10%, 1%. It depends on which account you have with them. So I know that with Standard Bank, the 32-day notice, you need to give, like, it's like you're putting in money, but when you want that money back, right, you need to put a notice. But there's a pure saver that you have access to the money or anytime, and their interest it's calculated on a daily basis depending on how much you have in your account. So that is my third income stream. My fourth income stream, that I get from interest rate that you get. Like it's calculated every month, but it goes directly into your 32-day, right? So let's say you are making 50 rand every month, 50 rand, 20 rand, whatever every month. The interest calculated according to the amount that you have, right? And it's compounded, right? Yeah, so if you want to cash it out, you need to do a deposit. But if it's pure saver, you get it immediately. When it clocks, you get it, you take it. But it's calculated.
The interest is calculated daily, I think, depending on how much you have.
And the other one that I have is a dividends. I get paid dividends of shares that I own. Like, yeah, I don't get paid a lot of dividends. Like the highest dividends I got last year was from Sasol, because I have shares in Sasol. So that is the highest. But the other ones, they don't pay, because the problem with shares is that they pay according to the number of shares you have. The little shares you have, the little dividends you get. Because if they say they're paying 30 cents per share, if you have one share, you are getting 30 cents. A person who has 20 shares or 100 shares or 10,000 shares, they get more dividends. So yeah, and also the dividends declared, you get less than dividends. Okay, all about the dividends and all shares, I've done a dedicated video. Check it out. If this video, I don't know if it's gonna come before this video or after this video, but there will be a video that explains everything, stock market and all of those things, right? And then the sixth one, it is the unrealized gain. Unrealized gain, it is same thing as with the shares. With shares that I bought, because I've been buying shares for like 2 years now or 3 years. Yeah, so I think it's 2 years, ne? 2 years, 3 years, yeah, somewhere there. Unrealized gain, it's like you are buying the shares. Maybe I bought shares January 2020 for 100 rand, and then January 2022 the shares went up. Maybe I bought it for 100 rand, now it's 150. So that 50 rand, it's the unrealized gain. Why do they call it an unrealized gain or profit? It is because you didn't realize it. So it fluctuates a lot. As the stock market goes up, down, it keeps on changing according to how much the stock price is. So all of that is explained in my dedicated video to the stock. Dedicated video talking about the stock, the easy equity and all of those things. Check the video out. I will link it in the description box, or if it is not there in the description box, you go to my channel, you'll find it. Or if this video comes before it, it's going to be coming the following week. So make sure you check out that video, okay? Period. And then we have surveys. Surveys, I'm not making a lot of money from it, let me be honest, because each survey, they pay you $1, and then that survey is gonna take you 30 minutes, 1 hour. I use an app called what is this app called? It's called Survey Time, ne? Yeah, it's called Survey Time. Yeah, it is called Survey Time. Is it called Survey Time? Let me just check if it is called Survey. Yeah, it's called Survey Time. I'll leave the I'll leave Survey Time. Yeah, I'll leave the word of the app here. If you have time, you can just write surveys as time as they send it to you. But the problem is that sometimes when you keep on getting it, it's going to say that hey what it doesn't allow you, unfortunately. But keep on trying, you will end up getting you end up writing one surveys into, but it's just $1, $2. It's not a lot of money. So those are my 7 income streams. So if you want me to break down any of them, let me know. Yeah, but the salary ones, I think it's clear. The Justine one, if you want me to do a dedicated video explaining everything about Justine, let me know. I will explain it. Justine is the same as Avon, your Average Lane, and all of those companies that you sell products, right? Great stuff. So yeah, those are my income stream, and if you have any questions, let me know. And I want to increase these. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I want to start earning from YouTube, guys. Come on, I'm making good videos, and look at the quality. Okay, I'm shooting with my phone still, but I switch on the ring light, I set up, because those people that got my phone, that got my lenses, they haven't brought it back. I don't know what the problem is. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. But if you want me to break down anything, let me know. And as my income streams increases, I will keep on updating you guys and telling you guys about it and all of this. Or if I find another side hustle that you can do, or that you can make money from, yeah, I'll let you know. Just yeah, subscribe. And easy ways to make money is that you can learn how to to even install a wig. Like I installed this week today. It's my first time installing this week. The first time I installed this week, I installed it professionally, but now I installed it myself. Okay, you can charge people for installing hair, because I mean, installing hair, they charge you from 300 to 500, and the products to install a wig doesn't even cost that much. So you can do that, or do nails, or maybe sell clothes, or maybe sell stuff like maybe Justine. There are a lot of ways to make money. Or you can even edit people's videos, because a lot of people struggle to edit videos. So yeah, those are my income streams. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you want to see, what other videos you want to see from me. Love you guys so much. Bye.